Hi there! Today I want to talk about a very interesting and a very attractive thing just to talk about. Like for example, I'm having like two keys. I want to talk about the right, proper, easy way how to place these keys with copper. This is a tube copper, as you can all see. As far as I can tell, it's kind of very pure copper, which is going to use to place these keys with that kind of copper. I think it's actually the easiest and the cheapest way that we're just going to use today. So we're just going to move to business. First of all, you're just going to need a plastic container like this one. Preferably should be plastic, or maybe just glass, which is going to be better. And we pour in 1 liter of filtered water, like we all see. And we're just going to use this power supply that actually used in computers. The main character and the main voltage that we're just gonna use, the 5 volts 18 amperage. You're just gonna find that tension with a red wire and of course black wire, as we can all see. I already just connected those two wires like that. Those wires are just gonna be connected automatically and right to those piece of coppers. And now I'm actually trying just to connect those wires right to the top copper like these. We're just gonna connect them like this one, just right here. You can whatever use any efficient material you can actually just use, except for just welding it with plumb. It's never gonna work. Just like this one. And the second piece of copper, it's just gonna be connected right to the other wire. Easy, it's actually connected and joined like this one. You can all see this power supply. It's actually used in all computer. You can just use it in other computers as well. It's actually working, as you can all see. Now we're just gonna try to add those electrodes right to the container. We're just gonna use some clothes clips like these. Just hold them steady while the operation. Like this, and as you can all see, it's actually sitting right to the plastic container. And the main character and the most important thing is this element. It's the sulfuric acid. This kind of acid is actually familiar and it's actually used in the car batteries. You can just find it or in a very specific shops. You can actually get 1 liter. I used here just 100 milli. It's actually enough. So we're gonna try to add the acid just right here, the sulfuric acid just right to the container that actually contain the 2 pieces of copper, the electrode that actually just eliminated with the 5 volts. So we're just gonna add the sulfuric acid right to the plastic container. We're just gonna try just to make a count for it. So 3, 2, 1, right in. Go. As you can all see, if you just have a look right to this plastic container, you can all see the copper. It's actually starting its reaction, and that is what's really all about actually. That's the main important operation of the whole thing actually. It's actually working. So we're just gonna wait until the whole solution is just gonna be ready just to be used. We're just gonna wait now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so after almost 1 hour, the whole solution is actually ready just to be used. We're just gonna take off those electrodes out of the container, just like that. And that's our key. You can all see it's white, it's fully chromed, nothing wrong with it. We're just gonna try just to make sure if our DIY solution is actually just ready just to be used. We're just gonna discover what is the risk to make sure our copper plating is actually ready to be used. We're just gonna try and make sure if this is working. We just give it time, you shake it a minute time, you just give it a turn like this. As you can all see, it's actually just getting some copper color. And okay, this is it. Our key, it's fully coppered. It's plated with copper. You can all see the whole solution is actually working. So just comparing both of keys, you can see this one is actually got the copper. So the question is, has it worked? And well, as an answer, yes, it's actually worked in a very, very great way. One thing I'm actually just trying to confirm, don't you ever try this experience just in a very closed space. It's actually producing a lot of gases and toxic gases. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching, and that was the most easiest, cheapest way to plate chrome steel or ordinary steel with copper. Thank you so much for your watching, and see you on another video.